Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. How are you? For today's class, I want you to have your science book ready, your student book, and your homework notebook. Let's get started. Please open your science book to page 97. And we're going to review a couple of words we have learned. Today, for example, we're going to read about what the industries and governments are doing to prevent air pollution. So we're going to read and you need to complete. Okay, you have alternative, fuels, electricity, wind, sunlight, and energy. Let's read. Air pollution. Governments and industries alike are searching for alternative and renewable sources of energy to prevent air pollution. Let's go with A. Solar power is one of the renewable sources that can be used to convert. What would the answer be? Sunlight into electricity. Solar panels can be replaced on buildings or on the ground. However, building and installing this technology is expensive. Okay, B says geothermal power uses steam or hot water found inside the earth to produce electricity or for direct use. There are just a few power plants around the world using this technology that has few emissions. C. Wind power is used to generate electricity. Tall wind turbines, usually with 3 blades, are placed in windy areas to take advantage of a strong and steady flow of wind. This technology doesn't pollute the air. D. Biomass power is used to generate electricity and fuel. The sources of this power come from the energy stored in plants and seeds, wood and wood byproducts, and the organic components in waste. The most common fuels derived from plant sources are an alcohol named ethanol and biodiesel. These can greatly reduce vehicle and other engine emissions. Very good. Let's go to 8. It says, read again and match the paragraphs to the pictures. What would the first one be? Correct. D. You could see like a little mountain or some kind of plant, right? Okay, the next one to the right is A, right? It's a way to get solar energy, the sunlight. Okay, on the bottom, what do you see? Those turbines, what would it be? C, right? C, wind power. And the last one, what do you see right there? Water splashing out. Okay, it's geothermal power, right? Generates electricity. Very good. when you finish, take out your put your science book away and take out your student book. Page 165. There you go. Are you ready? Let's do the listening activity.
Page 165. Grammar in use. D. Listen and read along. Then circle yes or no.
It's easy to climb a tree. Unless you fall. Come on. It's fun to climb up high. Until you lose your balance. And it's easy to fall. If you're not careful.
Okay, so then it says, it's easy to climb a tree unless you fall. Come on, it's fun to climb up high until you lose your balance. And it's easy to fall if you're not careful. Very good. Now answer. Charlie thinks it's easy to climb the tree. Is he right? Give your answer, yes or no. Very good. Now let's learn grammar. The infinitive as subject. Use its plus an adjective plus infinitive as subject to express an opinion. It's difficult to save the passengers and crew. To save. Saving the passengers and crew is difficult. It's fun to climb a tree. Climbing a tree is fun. Okay, what I want you to do right now is to say a couple of sentences using these phrases 1 through 7. Learn to swim, speak another language, cook a meal, ride a horse, climb a mountain, catch a butterfly, solve a mystery, do a crossword puzzle. There you have your example. It's fun to act in a play. It's easy to learn English if you read a lot of books. Give your examples. It's difficult to speak another language. What do you think? It's exciting to cook a meal. It's dangerous to ride a horse. Maybe if you don't know how to ride a horse, right? Okay, so you could fool around with several sentences, okay? Of course, some will not make sense, but in general, you could use all of these phrases, okay? Very good. Please close your student book and take out your homework notebook. Okay. You're going to practice what we just saw. Page 154. Okay, here you have learn the grammar. Okay, so you could have the structure in sight. In B, what you're going to do is complete the sentences. I lost the page. $154. There we are. Okay, complete the sentences. Read first so that when you give your answer, it makes sense. What are they talking about? All right, that's important. Read each sentence carefully. You could fill up the next sentences if you don't understand the one you're working on, and leave it until the end. All right? Then page 155. You're going to rewrite the sentences. Here is the first example. Collaborating with people on art is challenging. You're going to change it to, it's challenging to collaborate with people on art. There you have your example. Just follow it. And then in D, you're going to complete the sentences about you. I especially like this because I get to know you more. Okay, about you. I think it's relaxing. I think it's difficult. I think it's easy. I think, okay? Think your answers carefully. Okay, that would be all for today. When you finish page 154 and 155, remember to send it to me, okay? It was great being with you today. See you next time. Bye-bye.